Looking for the best pressure washers under $200? In this video we look at some of the top 3 pressure washers under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Greenworks pressure washer with hose reel. Pros: good for medium jobs and some heavier jobs. Delivers 1950 psi. Good for pressure washing siding. Assembly is not difficult. Design is good. Offers nice features. Stable when spraying. A good electric choice. Folding handle makes storage easier. Cons: if you want the soap applicator, surface cleaner or turbo nozzle included, the price will go up over $200. Bottom line: an electric sprayer with a medium range of pressure that offers good quality for the price. At number 2. Realm electric pressure washer. Pros: comes with a long hose and a quick connect for your power adapter. Works well for cleaning the car or siding. Good quality for the price and size of the product. Compact machine. Cons: does not have much variability on the sprayer and takes effort to clean off tough dirt and stains. Bottom line: an inexpensive sprayer that can help you clean small projects at home. At number 1. Power Products USA pressure washer 2200 psi. Pros: very sturdy. Long cord and hose. Easy to put together and to use. Small enough to be easy to store. Quiet when in use. Simple setup. Provides the promised 2200 psi pressure. Does a good job on mildew. Wheels and telescoping handle help make it easy to move around. Cons: a little heavier than some of the other power washers under $200. Bottom line: this pressure washer delivers a lot more power than other electric power washers at this price point. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.